speak more and more subjects before audience. Apart from this, my dear friend, I would like to tell you something about this institute, because all of us know that the name of this institute is CANDID, a spoken and written institute, and it is situated at Nabinagar. And I can say that Nabinagar is situated at, I'm talking about Duli Bazar. It means this institute is situated at Duli Bazar. Apart from this, my dear friend, I can say that the preceptor of this institute is, I'm talking about Arshad Jahangir sir, and I have already told you he has really such a unique pedagogy. He knows, I'm talking about how to teach every student, because I can say that he has experience in the field of teaching, in the field of spoken English. I can say that approximately 15 years. So I can say that he is really such a great teacher. Apart from this, my dear friend, I can say that if all of you, if I'm talking about any person who has a desire to become a native speaker, then without hesitation they should join this particular institute, because if you join this particular institute, therefore I can say that you will really become a native speaker. Because I can say that I'm talking about in our locality, this is only one institute which gives your selection in the field of spoken English, and I can say that this institute is famous. I'm talking about very famous in our field. So I can say that it's all about this institute. And apart from this, my dear friend, I would like to tell you, is English help you to get any job? I can say that English is really help you to get any job, because my dear friend, if you want to join any multinational company, and if you want to join any multinational company, and I would like to live in multinational company, you have to talk to foreigner person. But if you don't know English, you cannot talk to any foreigner person, you cannot converse any foreigner person. So I can say that apart from this, my dear friend, I have already told you, if you want to join any government job, then English is necessary. So I can say that it is because of English. Apart from this, suppose that if you join any multinational company, but if you don't know how to speak spoken English, how to speak English, and how to converse with any person in English, but if you know how to converse with any person, it means it is because of English you can increase your salary. Because when your boss see you that he is speaking English and he is able to converse with any foreign person, then he will increase your salary. So I can say that it is because of spoken English you can increase your salary. So I can say that, and apart from this, I can say that really a spoken English will help you to get any job. Apart from this, my dear friend, I would like to, if you want to really start your own business, and if you want to take your business, I'm talking about any foreigner country, then I can say that English is desperately needed. Because if you don't have knowledge about spoken English, it means you cannot take your business any abroad country. But if you know about English, you can take your business easily any abroad country. So I can say that it is because of English you can really get any job. Apart from this, my dear friend, I would like to tell you something about what did I gain from this institute. My dear friend, at this time, the main thing that I gain from this institute is that at this time I am speaking English before all of you. It is because of it is, I am talking about, it is really a great thing that I am talking about get from this institute. It means I can say that I get from this institute my fluency and my spoken English. Because I would like to, before joining this institute, I didn't know even how to introduce myself. But I'm talking about after joining this institute, I know approximately everything in the field of spoken, how to converse with any person, how to deliver a lecture, how to participate in debate, and so on. So I can say that the main thing that I gain this institute, that is, I'm talking about English, because at this time I am able to talk to any person. It is because of this institute. So I can say that this is the thing that I gain from this institute. Apart from this,